Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make a delicious Asian style zucchini stir fry, and it goes perfectly with any meal or is good on its own also. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing, and if you like this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you're ready, let's get cooking. And then I'm just cutting up a zucchini, just taking off the ends, and I'm just gonna cut the zucchini into half. So about maybe 3.5 to 4 inches, and I'm gonna cut it into half again, and then from there I'm just gonna slice them up into pieces, and they are about this thick. In a small bowl, I'm gonna add in the soy sauce, the sriracha. And if you don't have sriracha, you can go ahead and use any hot sauce. And then some honey. And then just a little bit of sesame oil. And then I'm just going to give it a whisk to combine everything well. In a large skillet over medium heat, I'm going to add in the zucchini. And then I'm going to add in some salt along with some black pepper. And you could also add some garlic powder, onion powder if you wish. And then I'm going to give it a stir to combine. And then I'm just going to cook this for about 9 to 10 minutes or until it's brown and tender. Once the zucchini is nice and tender, the way I like it, I'm going to pour in the soy honey mixture and then give it a stir to combine and coat the zucchini well. And then also, depending on the amount of zucchini you have, you may not need all the sauce. And then I'm just going to cook it for about another minute or two. Here is the end result of the delicious Asian zucchini stir fry, and I hope you'll give this recipe a try. The measurements are in the description box down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!